To host a React app on Namecheap, follow these steps. Build your React app. First, make sure your React app is production ready by running the following command in your project directory. This will create a builder folder containing the optimized production files. Log into Namecheap. Go to the Namecheap website and sign in with your credentials. Access cPanel. In your Namecheap dashboard, navigate to the domain list, find your domain and click Manage. Then click Go to cPanel. Upload build files. In cPanel, go to the File Manager. Navigate to the public_HTML folder. Upload the contents of the build folder into public_HTML. You can compress the files into a zip file for easier uploading and extract them in cPanel. Configure htaccess. For proper routing in React, create or edit the htaccess file in public HTML with the following. Test your app. Visit your domain to check if your React app is working correctly.